Hello, and welcome to ClearSpan Training. Today, you'll learn how to add Teams integration as a new user. From the OpEasy main menu, click on Provisioning. Click on Users. As this is my lab site, I will have to choose an enterprise. However, in your system, you will only see one enterprise. If you have more than one group, click on the correct group from the drop-down where your user is to be located. On the left side of the screen, click on User Profiles. You'll need to verify that your Teams profile has the correct line port configured. Click on the profile with the name Teams in it. Now, in your system, this may not be the name the same as mine, but it will depend on what your administrator has built. Scroll down to the line port section. Verify that the line port chosen has the name Teams in it. As you can see in the drop-down, there are other line ports configured, but you will need to have one showing the word Teams. Click OK at the top of the screen. Now click on Users on the left-hand side of the screen. Click Add at the top of the screen. In the User Classification system, click on the drop-down for Select User Profile. Choose the profile provision for your new Teams integration that has been built for your group. I'm going to choose Teams. Again, the name of this profile in your system may not be what you see here, but it will depend on how your Teams profile has been named in your system. Fill in all fields under ClearSpan User. Last name, first name, email, and select a phone number. If your user has a voicemail box, fill in the Voice Portal passcode section and then confirm. As my user does not have voicemail, I'll leave this blank. Fill in the user password with your group's default password, then confirm. Again, what I'm typing now may be different than what your system default password is. You'll notice that the calling line ID will pre-populate with whatever you have filled in for the first and last name as well as the phone number. Click OK at the top of the screen. Now you'll see that a new Teams user of Mary Smith has been built. One thing to note is that once this is built in ClearSpan OpEasy, you will need to notify your Teams administrator to sync the two systems. Thank you for joining ClearSpan Training.